Secret U.S. spying program targeted top Venezuelan officials flouting international law. A secret memo obtained by the Associated Press details a years-long covert operation by the U.S. Drug Enforcement Administration that sent undercover operatives into Venezuela to surreptitiously record and build drug trafficking cases against the country's leadership. A plan the U.S. acknowledged from the start was arguably a violation of international law. It is necessary to conduct this operation unilaterally and without notifying Venezuelan officials, reads the 15-page 2018 memo expanding Operation Money Badger, an investigation that authorities say targeted dozens of people, including Venezuelan President Nicolás Maduro. While there's no clear mechanism to hold the United States accountable legally, the revelations threaten to roil already fraught relations with Maduro's socialist government and could deepen resentment of the U.S. across Latin America. Asking everyone to wonder if the U.S. cannot be held accountable, how is there such a thing as international law? We don't like to say it publicly, but we are in fact the police of the world, says Wes Tabor, a former DEA official who served as the agency's country attaché in Venezuela well before the investigation described in the memo was launched. If we're going to be the world's police, how about we start here at home in the United States? Why don't we start with looking closer into Congress and insider trading, perhaps? Or maybe we could just decide to follow international law ourselves. The CIA declined to comment. The article goes on to say, I don't think President Biden is involved, Maduro said in a televised appearance this month. But the CIA and the DEA operate independently as imperialist criminal organizations. What do you all think about that? The operations targeting Maduro's inner circle is not the first time that the United States has conducted law enforcement operations overseas without notifying a host country. Notably, legal experts say no international court or tribunal has jurisdiction to hold the United States or its agents accountable for covert law enforcement actions in other countries, and the U.S. Supreme Court has upheld arrests and evidence collected on such missions. And what's wild is it was released by accident. The Operation Money Badger memo was never intended to be made public. It was inadvertently uploaded among dozens of government exhibits in a file share website by the U.S. Attorney's Office in Manhattan during the bribery conspiracy trial late last year of two former DEA supervisors. Blah, 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 blah. The AP press picked up on it, and here we are.